We have begun. Even our predecessors in the offices that we now occupy had started some steps in the direction of facilitating free movement of goods and persons between the two countries. We need to build on these initiatives and strengthen and deepen them so that our people are able to travel freely and goods move more swiftly, more smoothly, more quickly, and trade is facilitated. We therefore will need to remove all blockages and barriers to trade, the flow of trade. There are many projects that we can co-invest in as countries. The President was indicating to me, after the discovery of oil and gas in Namibia, the prospect of establishing a refinery, which on some advice would not be viable because of the size of the population, but becomes viable if we take the population as not just the people of Namibia, but the people of this sub-region more pointedly, and the people of the African continent more broadly. And so this aggregation, this bringing together of our numbers helps us to fortify our economies against the extraneous shocks to which these economies will increasingly be subjected in the unfolding political landscape.
We have a responsibility towards our people in our individual countries, in the sub-region SADC, and Africa as a whole. And I think this is really the time when we are seeing a lot of changes globally that Africa needs to re-engage among itself and decided on the best way we can serve the people of our continent. We have all what it needed. Over 60 years of Africa's independence. I'm sure we have all the skills that is required, and resources are still there. There's nothing really that can prevent us. What we need is just the political will, and then to act on any decisions that we are taking, which is aimed to save our people. Yes, Namibia and Botswana, we agree to continue strengthening our cooperation. The railway, as you have mentioned, Mr. President, is very critical as an economic driver. Now that Namibia has oil and gas, we cannot claim this to be a Namibian resources. It's a resources in our region, it's a resource in the neighborhood, and we can all benefit from it.